Want to reach more customers by offering your Shopify store in multiple languages? In this video, I'll show you how to add a new language using Shopify Translate Adapt. Step 1. Open Languages. From your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then select Languages. Here, you can manage all the languages available for your store. Step 2. Add a language. Under Store Languages, click Add Language. Select the language you want to add. For example, I'll choose Vietnamese. Then, click Next, click Done. Step 3. Translate your store. Once the language is added, click Translate with Translate Adapt. Shopify Translate Adapt lets you translate your store's content, including products, collections, and other storefront content. You can use automatic translation to quickly translate your content, or edit the translations manually. For example, to translate your content in this product page manually, copy the English text from the reference column and paste it into Google Translate. Then, copy the translated text and paste it into the corresponding Vietnamese field. Repeat these steps for other content, such as the product description, then click Save. Step 4. Publish the language. Once your translations are ready, return to the Languages page. Find the language you just added, click the three-dot menu, and select Publish. Your new language is now available on your online store. And that's how you can add multiple languages to your Shopify store using Shopify Translate Adapt. No coding required. Don't forget to subscribe and check the comments for more details.